1 million is equal to 8 years, therefore 1.7 million is equal to what? X. Find X. Find X. Yeah, and you can only post say Mahama Agyapong Waba after 8 years was okay, good. So if you are using that language, Mahama or the 1 million votes deficit and a continent here. And what the 8 years and into 1.7 million votes deficit, you know. I have 3 years in that.
So hi guys, this is Fast and Facts on Ghana SM TV. Do like, share, and subscribe. Kennedy Agyapong has instructed the people of Ghana to determine X or find X. Guys, social media is boiling. The TikTokers of the New Patriotic Party are solving this equation. Find X by Kennedy Agyapong. Guys, what is trending? Kennedy Agyapong, in addressing some delegates, decided to stir up a conversation by giving a response to Dr. Bawumia's Akanai pet proposition. Now,
national 1.7 million votes deficit. Tabenabati, Obisi McNanamati, as Obisi Akanai. Akanai. Mahama lost with a vote of 1 million. It took him 8 years. Obi Lusu 1.7 million a year. If 1 million is equal to 8 years, therefore 1.7 million is equal to what? X. Find X. Find X. Yeah, and you can only post say Mahama Agyapong Waba after 8 years was okay, good. So if you are using that language, Mahama or the 1 million votes deficit and a continent here. And what the 8 years and into 1.7 million votes deficit, you know. I have 3 years in that.
Hi guys, this is Fast and Facts. So Kennedy Agyapong has directed the people of Ghana to look for X. Guys, he, in a speech addressing some delegates, has requested all the mathematicians in the New Patriotic Party and Ghanaians to find X. And for that matter, we on Fact or Fact will help Kennedy Agyapong to fix this particular puzzle or help him find X. By the time I'm done with this particular video, all of you will appreciate and know who Mr. X is. After Dr. Bawumia met with the beautiful grassroots and delegates of the New Patriotic Party during the filing of his nomination, Dr. Bawumia spoke about what he intends to do for the delegates and his achievement in his capacity as just the driver's mate or the vice president of the Republic of Ghana. Guys, he touted himself about most of the achievement, all the flagship things you see that the people of Ghana are benefiting from. It comes from Dr. Bawumia. He spoke about it and emphasized that I cannot pay. So delegates and grassroots, believe in me and bring me out one more time. Instead of Kennedy Agyapong and other candidates to do same by telling the delegates what exactly they will do and what they intend to do for the party and the people of Ghana, they are always looking for something to say about Dr. Bawumia. Am I surprised? Not at all. Now back to the substantive issue. According to Kennedy Agyapong, President Mahama lost an election with a vote difference of 1 million, and it took him 8 years to come back to power. So then, if Dr. Bawumia loses an election with 1.7 million, how many years would it take Dr. Bawumia to come back to power? In his analogy, he makes an expression, and I quote, if 1 million votes equals 8 years, then 1.7 million votes equals X. Find X. And I'm like, is Kennedy Agyapong really looking for X? Is he trying to find X? And I'm like, okay, for us on Facts on Facts, we'll take our time to do some calculations and ascertain what X is. In our assessment, we realize that Kennedy Akompre Japan indeed is the ex. Why do I say so? It was your videos, Kennedy Akompre Japan, the NDC used against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as a candidate. It was all your utterances, all the things you said to discredit the New Patriotic Party. You pushed the narrative about corruption, nepotism in NPP. You said a whole lot about the government of President Akufo-Addo because certain things could not go your way. Kennedy Akompre Japan, we want to remind you, it was your mouth that caused the New Patriotic Party to lose with 1.7 million. If you are looking for X, in my point of view, you remain Mr. X. So by Kennedy Japan's logic, all right, if Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, who is just a first timer, all right, in an internal primary was approved by 61.47% of NPP delegates, going into a national election, secured 41% of the votes, what will be the percentage of a candidate who was approved by only 37.4% of delegates? So in this case, find Y, and Y be the percentage of a candidate who was just approved by 37.4%. Find Y. And guys, what I make of this particular whack and bogus analogy from Kennedy Akompre Japan is that the NDC did not give up on Mahama. The only reason why President Mahama was able to win the just ended election with 1.7 million votes is that the NDC did not give up on Mahama. They kept on presenting Mahama until the people of Ghana accepted him. In fact, but for the shenanigans and all the videos Kennedy Akompre Japan made against the New Patriotic Party, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia would have won that election. In fact, there were certain factors that came to play, which we'll discuss some other time. But in today's video, I still maintain that Mr. X or Kennedy Akompre Japan remains the X he has been looking for.
Abusiake say heat. As a video number started, I know I say Charlie. The video is Ojankasa. There is a beef between Bawumia's camp and Kennedy Japan's camp. Actually, it's very, very interesting. What I say. Now, say in Chabia and Bawumia becomes already a can of 9 pe. And a Kennedy Japan by reply and was a share. A cow 9 pe. As a Mahama lost in 2016 with a vote margin of almost 1 million votes. On a great key 8 years. Now, be a lose with 1.7 million. And Obeka say, if 1 million is equal to 8 years, then 1.7 million is equal to X. Find X. They say no. Presidential race, no, according mathematics. And a lawyer Kosiboche, who is a lawyer Kosiboche of Bawumia's camp. And a lawyer Kosiboche, they call Facebook, no coach, say, or you. And these if we use videos on TV stations to discredit our candidate and the party. Today you are telling us to find X. As a chairman, you are the X. Into what you Kennedy Japan. And X no. Okay. And obviously Koti lawyers Kosibocho no cancer. Me sure so free Kennedy Japan camp. As a share. As a man, I can't or say what statement was more damaging than I have arrested the dollar and have given the keys to the IGP. And especially when it was released when $1 hit 17 cities. You understand, Charlie? Until Tokwane dear a jinamu. Uko Facebook and Tokwane jinam Bawumia's camp versus Kennedy Japan's camps. And made their personally, I don't want this beef to end. And Kamanya and the beef when a triamus out with you. What do you say?